Okay, finally got my new snowblower. It's the PSSHD24, which I think replaced another model that was everybody posted good things about. So I'm gonna be posting. I am terrible at building things, so if I could do it, anybody can. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy and see what we got. Now I noticed that this looks like oil and that looks like oil, or maybe it's just wet. Hopefully. I do see right here, seems like oil dripped. So I thought they were shipped without oil. I mean, the shipping company probably turned this thing upside down. But in any case, hopefully it's nothing bad. But I wanted to get it recorded. Probably gonna need to add more oil, and we'll probably need to clean up a little bit before I start this guy. All right, keep going. So I opened the side, and look what I found here. I guess it does come with it. I don't know why. I guess they tested. I'm not sure, but the leaking, whatever, keep on going. By the way, I think they recommend having 2 people doing it. I don't have 2 people, that's why I cut the slide. I'm gonna keep going. All right, keep you guys posted. So I read the instructions a little bit, and seems like we're going to be putting the wheels on first. So here's the wheels. I will put the phone down and then put it on. Okay, so unfortunately another issue came up. So as you can see, the wheel needs these pins, so I couldn't find it. I thought it was in this pouch, but only these came with this pouch. So I look under and I saw this pin down there, and I found the pin as I took out this part from the top. I found it down here, so I moved the unit around. I have checked every corner, and I'm missing the pin for here.
So for now, I'm going to try to find something that goes in there, and then I'm going to either call them, try to contact them, and see what's going on. I guess because the unit was upside down, because as you can see, the oil was spilled, I'm assuming that maybe things got loose. I checked it in here. I didn't know that it came with this, actually. This is the corner, the organ. So I'm going to keep checking, see if I find it. If I find it, I'll report it to you guys. If not, then I'll just keep building it. On to the next part.
Okay, so I had to install this part. I put the auger on the mount. Now on the picture it shows to put these guys in first. So that's what I'm gonna do. To save time on the camera, I'm going to take these out. Alright, so I wanted to give you guys a heads up on a few things. So I put the pin in the bottom first, and it was actually good because I was able to move this around. So this way the hole was on top. So the bar was sort of facing this way, positioned this way. I put the pin in, which you can see. Then this pin is extremely easy to put it on. Then on this bar here, the pin is here. It's upside down now because when it was facing that way, as you can tell, when I turn one way or another, it does have like locking, which I heard it's good because this way when you're throwing out snow, it stays in place. Others don't have these locking. As you can tell, it's going in steps. So it's supposed to be good. I put the wire through this little loop and moving on to the next step. So far, so good. I thought this was a little loose, as you can tell. But apparently it's supposed to be like that. We'll see once it's running. I actually have some snow. I cleaned out, as you can see, that's my old snow blower. And it's terrible going uphill because I have to push it. I don't want to push it. I want these gears. If you know what I mean. Oh, by the way, I move this around. As you move it around, it's easier to put the pin. So it was, so far so good. I mean, nothing has been hard. All right, next steps is these two bars. So it's very easy to assume that the one with the red handle is going through here and is going to attach there. Now, once again, let me see if this pin is easy to take while I have you guys on. No, I'm gonna use pliers to remove it. And then this one here, I took the pin out, so it's gonna go here. And then on top, it's gonna go there. Pretty simple. So I'm gonna put it in, put the pins in, and then on to the next step. Okay, so as you can see, to install this part here, you need to take out this screw. So because I had a pair of these laying around in my garage, and I don't have to go to the boiler room to get the right, I don't know if it's 7/16. It didn't show in the manual or up to the part I looked at. So I just took out these and I'm about to put it on. So I'll see you at the next step. So just finishing on the screw here. Fairly simple. I mean, it goes in, locks it in. I'm gonna tighten a little bit more on all sides, and here's the thing, which I did this before I put these screws in. So this one here, I use both hands to make it right, and then these screws, I gotta tighten it, but looks pretty good. I'm still bothered by the oil, which is pretty much all over the place, but we'll see what happens. All right, moving on. All right, on this next step, we're supposed to install what they call the skid shoes. So it's gonna go over there. I'm just going to cut these tie wraps. And then I'm gonna play around with the size. I'll see, I have bricks in my driveway, so I'll see how it goes. But I'm gonna play around with it. I don't think you guys need to see this. But it goes on like this. We'll see how it goes. I think I'm gonna need some tools. No, I think I can use my trusted adjustable wrench. Alright, see you guys in a bit. Okay, so we're back. As you can see, there's snow on my new machine. So what I did was I put a bolt with a nut to hold the wheel, because as I explained before, it didn't come with both of them. It was missing one. The chute has some snow. I started right up, had no issues. I think I'm gonna drop this a little bit. Let me show you my driveway. As you can see, it left some snow on the ground, all the way up. I mean, we didn't get a lot. We just got a little bit. But it was enough for me to test it, which was good. Yesterday I had to run and get some work done, so I couldn't finish this. So today, I just finished putting the oil. So it did take the whole bottle. I guess the bottle comes to specific measurements, and I was concerned because remember yesterday I showed that there was a leak during shipment, so I didn't know if there was oil already in there, even though it wasn't showing on the stick. I was concerned, so I put a little bit at a time. The gas though doesn't have any I can't see like if it's full, so I had to do slow. As you can see, I have these old bottles, so I did slowly. So that was, I mean, it's not a big deal. I don't mind it, but it would have been nice on my old one. As you can see, I could tell. On this one, there's nothing. Like I said, it started right up. This right here to clean is pretty cool. It doesn't really clean out. I guess if it gets stuck in there, I can point it out. But it worked, so I'm happy with it. My back is very happy with it, because going up my my brick driveway is a pain in the back. All right, hopefully this will help someone. Like I said, I suck at building things. I'm good at computers, but not this. And if I could do it, then anybody buying this this machine will have no issues doing it. And I did it by myself, so just destroyed the box, but it's done.